Good afternoon. We're so excited to announce our new online training series and learning management platform. So when you first log in with your username and password, this is going to be the screen that everyone views as a learner. So once you scroll down, this is going to be where you find all of your videos. So we divide them up by certain subject matter. So we have audit and risk, compensation, talent, and many more. So kind of to just go ahead and show you some certain things that are a little bit different for all the learners. We're going to click in the video. And when you start learning now, that is how you're going to view the course itself. And then to the right of the course, we actually have the transcript you can download. And we also have the banking terms glossary as well. Once you complete the course, the certificate of completion is going to pop up on the screen and you are able to download that. So that is the actual video itself. To go back, I do want to show you two different ways that you can search for videos in our platform. So kind of to start off, this is a new feature, but stress testing, for example, is going to show the video that is titled stress testing, but it's also going to bring up a video that mentions stress testing throughout the course. So if you're ever looking for certain subject material or certain keywords, this is the search function that you would be using right up here. If you scroll down, there's also this search box right here, and this is going to search for the title, just the title of the video. So two different ways that you can search in the platform. So that is pretty much the extent of the learner side for differences right now that I'm going to show you. We're going to get to one other part in a minute. So kind of to go to your admin capabilities, you're going to click over to this right-hand section right here. And first things first, we're going to learn how to assign courses to everybody. So you're going to click in this course management right here. And this is where all of the courses are going to be listed. So let's say I want to assign branch strategy. So there are a couple different ways that you can do this. But first things first, let's show you how to assign this course to everybody in your bank or everybody that you're managing, for example. So if you want to select everybody, you're going to go ahead and press this box right here. And then just make sure that everyone's selected if there's multiple pages. So once you have everyone selected, you're going to see this choose action box. So there's a lot here, but primarily what you want to focus in on is this edit enrollment. So once again, when you're assigning a course, click everybody and then edit enrollment. And this is where you're going to see enable deadline. So go ahead and choose the start of the validity. So let's say I want everybody to watch it or start today, and you can choose a time even, start, and then your end date. So, we can just do May 16th just for fun. And then we're going to go ahead and press confirm. So you're going to see this start to load. Some other functions that are cool in here to note is if you ever want to change anyone's status, complete, in progress to enrolled, any of that, you shouldn't have to do that for any reason. But if somebody said they maybe completed a video and it's not showing up for some reason, this is just where you could tweak it. Another thing is once you assign a course, the course is actually going to lock itself after that due date approaches. So if at any point you want to unlock that video, that is where you're going to come and press this reset date range for access. You can do that, or you can just do edit enrollment and get rid of that validity deadline. So two different things here. If you want to send an email to everybody from the platform, but it is going to come from your email address, you can do that in here. You can use short code. So you can say the first name, complete the course name by X, Y, and Z, and click here using the short code to access. So just some cool functions that you're able to use in here. The next cool thing that you can do is look at the report. So this is just one of several different ways that you can look at a report. But if you click right next to this enrollments, go to reports, you can see the report for this course. So branch strategy. So this is one way to view it. You can click in here. If you don't want maybe all of this information, like you don't really care, we're not scoring anything, but we care about the status, progress. You don't really care about enrollment date, and get rid of it, and it just changes the report. So pretty customizable. And then you can go ahead and download it right here. You can do a CSV, whatever you'd like. And then you can also click in here and see the training material statistics. So if you want to see how many users have like actually clicked the course transcript or glossary of terms, the video itself, it gets very nitty gritty. So it's all in here. Another way that you can look at reports is by clicking this reports section right here. So I'm going to stress, you're not going to click this new reports box, but you are going to click reports. So to give you a glance, let's start with the user personal summary. So this section right here is where you're going to be kind of getting a more deep dive on a specific user in your bank. So for example, I'm going to click on somebody that I know is in my bank. And this is where you can get more information on what they're viewing, their progress, their last login time, all of that stuff. You can also see their certificates, their courses, all of that stuff, and you can download it and print it off. So that's pretty cool. Another thing that you can do is do the course summary. So course summary is going to show you more of a deep dive of a specific course itself. So let's say you assigned the stress testing video and you want to go in here and see how many have begun the course, how many are in progress, completed, etc. Then you can go in here and actually kind of see what's going on. You are able to, once again, print this off and download it, and all of that stuff. Course dashboard is going to show you your information, how many completions, stuff like that. And then branch dashboard, this is where you're going to get a deeper dive on your branch itself. So I like to switch over and use the user mode. And this is kind of just another viewpoint of what you can see for each user. You can go and see what they've completed and all their courses, their enrollments, all that stuff. And then you just go ahead and download it if you'd like that. So the next section that I want to talk to you about is when you download a course, when you assign a course, the way that you want a learner to view that is by, so once again, this is what a learner is going to be seeing in their platform. You want them to click the 3 buttons on the side, and they're going to see my courses and learning plans. So to look for the assigned courses, you're going to hit the 3 buttons on the side and hit my courses and learning plans. You're going to press filters, deadline, and perhaps you want them to complete things this week, this month, this year, whatever the deadline is, have them choose. And all the courses that you assigned will come up. So I don't have any assigned courses in my platform right now. That's why it's not coming up. But this is how you're going to be able to find the actual courses that were assigned. Instead of when you're first clicking in here, this is all the courses a user has available to them. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions as you go through and kind of explore the platform itself, please feel free to let me know. And I'm so excited for you to get in here and start clicking around and exploring. So I look forward to hopefully seeing you guys in the town hall. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much.